Ayan, hanap nyo ba ay brand new sealed? Siyempre, meron yan dito sa legit seller ng Green Hills at trusted seller ng Green Hills. Dito yan sa CMB Gadgets and Kenyal Telecom. Ang location po natin dito sa Green Hills is ang tiyangge natin, second floor, Green Hills, San Juan City. Stall number XB02. Ang permanent natin is third floor, V-Mall, Green Hills, San Juan City. Pag bibili kayo dito sa CMB Gadgets, meron po tayong pa-cashback na 500 pesos sa lahat po ng viewers and subscriber po natin dyan or followers natin. At syempre, meron po tayong freebies na power bank original na 20 watts na charger. Then meron po tayong 3 case, tempered glass, and AirPods. At syempre, may chance pa po kayo manalo sa ating At syempre, meron pa po kayong chance manalo sa ating raffle draw. Ang grand prize po natin dyan is brand new na motorcycle. And meron din po tayong consolation prize na brand new refrigerator and one winner of brand new Marshall headphone na original. So, yon. Ang warranty po ng brand new natin dito is 1 year Apple warranty. Brand new sealed po ito. Ayan. Start tayo sa iPhone 13. Yan. iPhone 13, 128GB, brand new sealed, 26,000, full package. Then meron tayong basic package, 25,500. Less cashback 500, 25,000 na lang. This is 1 year Apple warranty. Brand new sealed po to. And then meron din po tayong iPhone 15. iPhone 15, brand new sealed, 128GB, 36,000. Full package, basic package is 35,500. Less cashback 500, 35,000. Meron din po tayong iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. iPhone 16, 128GB, 43,000. Full package, basic package is 42,500. Less cashback 500, 42,000. iPhone 16 Plus, 128GB, 47,000. Full package, basic package is 46,500. Less cashback 500, 46,000. iPhone 16 Plus, 256GB, 55,000. Full package, basic package is 54,500. Less cashback 500, 54,000. Meron din tayong iPhone Air na pinaka-latest ng iPhone ngayon. Siyempre, 1 year Apple warranty din po to, NTC approved. iPhone Air 256GB, full package 70,000. Basic package 69,500. Less cashback po na 500, 69,000 na lang. iPhone 17 Pro. Asan na? iPhone 17 Pro, 256GB only yung available natin. 78,000. Full package. Basic package is 77,500. Then less cashback po na 500. Magiging 77,000 na lang. iPhone 17 Pro Max, 256GB, brand new sealed, 86,000. Full package. Basic package is 85,500. Less cashback 500, 85,000. Meron din po tayong 17 Pro Max na 512GB, 100,000. Full package. Basic package is 99,500. Less cashback 500, 99,000. Meron din po akong 1TB na 17 Pro Max, 120,000. Full package. Basic package is 119,500. Less cashback 500, 119,000. So, yun. Again, yung warranty po ng brand new natin dito sa CMB Gadgets is 1 year Apple warranty. And then, syempre, pwede po tayo magpa-shave via LBC nationwide, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao with security deposit, shipping fee not free. Pwede rin po tayo sa cash on delivery or same-day delivery within Metro Manila and nearby with our trusted rider. Delivery fee not free. Ang mode of payment natin dito sa CMB Gadgets is pwede tayo sa cash, bank transfer, GCash, and credit card. Then pwede rin po tayo sa installment, but meron po kayo ng mga babanggitin ko like credit card, GGives, Pay Later, Skyro, Bill East, and Home Credit. So, yun lang po yung mga mode of payment natin. Sa mga gusto pong mag-inquire, mag-PM lang po kayo sa ating FB page, CMB Gadgets, verified by Meta. At sa mga gusto pong mag-visit or diretso lang po kayo pumunta dito sa sa may physical store natin. Ang Tiangge area natin is located sa second floor, Center Mall, Green Hills, San Juan City, stall number XB02. Ang landmark po natin dito sa Tiangge is dyan lang po yan sa may pinakaharap ng escalator pababa. And then, syempre, meron po tayong permanent shop. Located po ito sa third floor, V Mall, Green Hills, San Juan City, Kenyal Telecom by CNB Gadgets. Bye!